Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a single, focused notebook for the task at hand. Name it clearly so you never hesitate. Once created, add 3 sections: inbox for capture, active for current work, archive for finished items. Make sure sync is enabled and set a 15-minute sync frequency if you travel between devices. Use the flag and tag tools immediately, tag meeting notes to DOS and decisions. This gives you a fast capture loop. You will prevent scattered notes and start productive habits right away. Now focus on consistent structure. Create a page template for meetings, one for projects, and a daily note template. Once done, apply tags like to do, important, and question consistently. Build a small set of custom tags for your workflow. Make subpages for milestones and status updates so each project stays compact. Use internal links to connect decisions to tasks. This reduces search time. Finally, review your tag index weekly. That check closes the loop and keeps your system reliable and fast. Finish by scheduling a weekly 10-minute review. Clear your inbox, update tags, and move completed pages to archive. Export critical notebooks as PDF or a OneNote package for offline backup. This ensures a recoverable record. If things go wrong, sync stalls or changes vanish. Sign out and sign back in, then force a manual sync and check your device storage and Microsoft account limits. If problems persist, copy affected pages to a new notebook. That often restores consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.